crossing is a pedestrian light controlled crossing. If you take the first letters from those words, it becomes pelican. So, like a pelican, just spelt slightly differently. On a pelican crossing, when you press the button to cross the road, you will get a wait light. The red and green man will be displayed on the opposite side of the road on the traffic light bulb.
Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you're telling me. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge, they're the chosen whites. We justify those that died for wearing the badge, they're the chosen whites. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me.